Okay, the Purple Fest 2025 has been announced, and we have seen that the Purple Fest is not benefiting the grassroots people with disabilities at the grassroots levels. So we are putting forward our 7-point demand to the government to resolve the issues within 3 months. That is before the Purple Fest 2025. Failing which we will protest at the Purple Fest 2025. Our demands are as follows: increase in the Dynamic Social Security Scheme from 2,000 to 6,000 per month as per order of State Disability Commissioner. Secondly is jobs for persons with intellectual disability. Jobs for persons with intellectual disability, especially in the government sector. And also we want that the skill development centers, respite care centers should be started by the government. We also want the restarting of the Sunday School Vocational Center, which has been closed for the last 2 years, and many students have been forced to stay at home for the last 2 years, so we want that also to be restarted. We want a state policy for persons with disabilities so that there is a direction. The government and the various departments will have a focus on the implementation of the rights of persons with disability by having a state policy for empowerment of persons with disabilities. We want representation in the panchayat level and municipality level, nomination by way of nominations, so that the persons with disability will have a voice in the panchayat and municipality levels. Okay, we want the education department to take inclusive education seriously by appointing special educators on a permanent basis and making schools accessible for children with disabilities, and also releasing funds of the schools and children under the financial assistance scheme. And lastly, we want that the survey of persons with disabilities which has been started should be completed before the Purple Fest. No, we have already said, no, we want all 7 demands. Purple Fest, we will be forced to protest. All Goa, we have 12,000 is there who are getting Dynamic Social Security. My parents are.